Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll explain who can actually use the Upbit Korea exchange. Upbit is one of South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, launched in 2017. It offers hundreds of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, and an easy-to-use platform for both beginners and experienced traders. However, the Upbit Korea exchange is mainly available to residents of South Korea. Users typically need to complete identity verification and meet local regulatory requirements, including having a supported Korean bank account. If you live outside South Korea, you generally can't use the Korean platform. Depending on your country, you may be able to access Upbit Global where available, subject to local regulations. That's it. Upbit Korea is designed primarily for South Korean users, while international users should check whether Upbit Global is available in their country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto guides.